How to find your GitHub profile link. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now, this could be a great way so you can, share your profile, share your projects with people, let people know exactly your milestones and achievements and all of these things. It is actually very simple to achieve your profile link. All you need to do is just find your username. And if you do that, you should be good to go because it's pretty much github.com slash your username. So you just go in and do github.com slash, in my case, it's just going to be this, and it should take me there. So we pretty much have our profile link just like that. So just go ahead and find your username and just add that after the github.com slash username. Now, if you, for some reason, can't remember your username, you can also just go ahead and actually just go to your profile page, just go to your github.com, log in, and then click on the profile picture on the top right. Once you do that, you should find a few options here, including the the second option here. It should be your profile. And not to mention, you also see your username at the top here regardless, but you can just go ahead and click on your profile. And once you do that, you should be taken to the same page. All you need to do is just go ahead and go to the top here, copy this, and you have your profile page copied. So now if you share it with someone else, so let's just go ahead and open up a different browser here real quick, which is not logged into my account. Somebody opens this up, and it's just going to open up the same profile page, but people are going to be seeing it different because this is not theirs. So yeah, this is pretty much all for this, getting the actual profile link. Now, if you want to be fancy about it, you can also make it a QR code so you can share it easier with people on social media and so on. So for example, if you wanted to post it on Instagram, whatever it may be, you can also just turn it into a QR code, which I really I really like that idea. So you can just go ahead and copy this link. Again, just go to your profile right there, copy this link, and you can just go ahead and open up a new browser type in QR code generator. So this website right here, which is completely for free, qr-code-generator.com. Hit enter, and you should find yourself in here. All you need to do is just go ahead and paste it right over here. And then you should have your QR code ready to go. If you want to have a different frame for it, you can also feel free to change that. But in my case, I'm just going to go for the default and click on download JPEG. And we should be good to go. We have our profile link. We turned it into a QR code and we are set. So just go ahead. Once this downloads, share it with people and you're pretty much set. So good luck in the future. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.